Well, I think we're ready to begin here. My name is Richard Schulz, and I serve as chair of this study, and I'd like to welcome everyone to this workshop of the Committee on Family Caregivers for Older Adults. The task being undertaken by this committee for the Institute of Medicine is to develop a report with policy recommendations to support the capacity of family caregivers to perform critical caregiving tasks, to minimize the barriers that family caregivers encounter in trying to meet the needs of older adults, and to improve the health care and long-term services and supports provided to care recipients. The Institute of Medicine has assembled this committee with the expertise and skills necessary to tackle this complex issue. Please note that this is an open session with the live webcast open to the public. The recording of the session will be posted on the study website in the next couple of weeks, including the slides that are going to be presented today. I'd like to remind everyone that this is an information gathering session. That is, the committee is in the process of assembling materials that it'll examine and discuss in the course of making its findings, conclusions, and recommendations. As a result, I ask everyone here today to be extremely mindful of the fact that the committee has made no conclusions, and it would be a mistake for anyone to leave here today thinking otherwise. Comments made by individuals, including panelists and members of the committee, should not be interpreted as positions of the committee or of the Institute of Medicine. I'd also like to say a little bit about the format of today's meetings. We will hear from three panels. Each speaker will give a 10-minute presentation. At the conclusion of each panel, there will be 30 minutes for questions and discussion. This important part of the meeting is meant to meet the needs of the committee, so we will first give committee members the opportunity to ask questions, and if time is available, we will open the questioning to the public as well. Webcast participants will not be able to send in questions. Because the event is being webcast, it's important for everyone to use a microphone, and we have one up here for questions. If you're a member of the audience and would like to ask a question, please use the standing mic in the aisle once we open that session of the meeting. So I want to thank everybody for coming here. We have three moderators, esteemed members of the committee, including Ladson Hinton, Maria Aranda, and Brian Duke. And, of course, we have an even more esteemed panel of speakers today. So we're all looking forward to hearing about this very important topic, which the committee is extremely interested in learning more about. So let me turn it over to Ladson.